Good morning, everyone. It's Donna. I digitized this cute little ice cream cone the other day, and I thought, oh man, I should have done a video on this. So I'm gonna do one. This is an applique design, and so we're going to go in and do it. So first thing I'm going to do is I am going to set my hoop size for this to be a 5x7, which is 130 by 180 millimeter. I'm going to click apply, and then I am going to bring in the image with image import, and this is the particular ice cream that I am using. So we're going to get this here. Now that we have it in, you can tell looking at it that the actual cone is the lower layer, and the initial one that I did was just the ice cream, and that's all I'm going to do on this one as well. So in order to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a little bit beyond where it overlaps with the ice cream, and I'm just going to kind of come down here and kind of quickly do the initial outline here. And we will take this above a little bit just so that we have some overlap on this fabric when we go to cut it out. So this will be the initial color that'll go down to show you where to place the fabric. So we're gonna Control C and Control V that so that we get a second one, which is we will change. Oops, let me get my colors here. We will change this to the marathon threads. Let's see, go ahead and do that. So this one right here, the second one that we did that we changed the color on, that's going to be the one that's going to tack down where you would actually begin to trim it out. Okay, and from there what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here, and I'm going to come down here to where this line is, and this is a single stitch. You could make it a triple stitch if you wanted to. Generate your stitches, then from here up generate, then come back down here. Whoops, wrong one. Make this a triple beam again. From here up, do a generate. From here over, generate. From here up, try to get that on there. We will go all the way up to over here. From here, we'll go up, up, over to this one, do a generate over here, make this a triple beam as well, and then from here, go over here, generate, and I'm going to take it all the way up here, get it curved, triple beam, generate, and then we will quickly go from here to here and then we'll follow this kind of back down. And all the way back up here. Get that the best we can. I'm going to set my width here to be 4 millimeters. Generate my stitches. Okay, that's going to be the outline there. And what we will do here is I'm actually going to transform and create a backward path of this, and that's just going to make it go back, but I'm going to change the parameters to be a single stitch so that it will kind of lock it down above this. So we're going to group this, and I'll show you what I mean. So it will produce this stitch on top of the applique, and we're going to go in and change this to a cone color. Call it amber beige for right now, and that will be the cone. Okay, let's go and work on the ice cream right now. So for this one, I'm not going to do all of this fancy stuff up here. I'm just gonna kind of make it a little rounded on top. Finish my object, generate my stitches. Oops, I'm sorry. So this one I actually did, as you can see, I did it as a fill stitch, and I really didn't mean to do that. So what I'm going to do here is over here, select it, and I'm going to do this create outline from fill. And as you see over here, now you have the outline. I'll just go ahead and delete this. This I'll change a color. It doesn't really matter. A medium purple. I'm going to cut and paste it again. I will change the color for this one so that your machine will stop. So you can change colors and allow you this one. The first one that we did would be to show you where to lay the fabric. This one is so that you can go ahead and trim it down, stitch the second color, trim it out, and then we are going to paste that in again. We're going to change the color of this, and we're going to do it like a pink for strawberry ice cream or something like that. And so we have all three of them. The second one, or the last one that we just did, we are going to change this to satin stitches, put the width to 4, generate stitches, and then we are going to do it again and make it the same color as the satin stitches. If you look at this one, the parameter is still the single stitch, and when I generate the stitch, it's going to show this the way it should be with the line on there. So what I'm going to do now is delete the image from the design. I'm going to reset my hoop size to be 130 by 80. So I will select this. I'm going to turn it just a little bit and increase. So there's, like a good size ice cream. Then you can shrink it down to get your other sizes. One of the reasons I like Embird over, say, will come hatch is if you saw me increase this. If I look at the parameters for this one is still 4 millimeters. If I did increase it in hatch, that 4 might go up to 4.6. Likewise, if I shrink it up and generate the stitches again, this parameter is still 4. And in Wacom Hatch, it might take it down to 2.3 millimeters. So I don't have to go in and continually reset my width on my appliques. So that's just one of the things that I do prefer Embird over. But anyway, this is how you would digitize this cute little ice cream applique, and you can see it there. So that's it for this video, and we will talk to you later. Bye.